Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition series is considered an excellent choice to get kind of flagship specs at an affordable price. However, in the past, there were lots of rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Early reports claimed that Samsung discontinued the series due to the S21 Fan Edition's lackluster sales, and that's why the brand didn't launch the S22 Fan Edition. But later, some also claimed that the brand actually skipped the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition. However, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is in working, and some tipsters even shared some of its key specs. And now, for the first time, the well-known tipster OnLeaks confirmed the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition exists and shared a very first look at the handset. As per the renders, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition shared a strong resemblance to the brand's mid-ranger Galaxy A54. The Samsung S23 Fan Edition will be measured around 158 by 76.3 and has a thickness of 8.2mm, that is the same as the A54. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is expected to sport a punch-hole design, 6.4 inches flat display panel with most likely a 120Hz refresh rate. And there could be an under-display fingerprint scanner. On the rear side, just like the last Fan Edition model, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, the S23 Fan Edition will have a triple camera setup including a telephoto sensor, which honestly speaking is not common when it comes to mid-rangers. So it's good Samsung decided to keep offering it. As per the rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will feature the same 50-megapixel primary sensor found on the S22 and S23 handsets. This will surely result in better photography experience compared to the previous Fan Edition model. Unfortunately, the details for the other sensors are still under wraps. For the chipset, rumors claim that there could be two options. Some lucky markets will get one of the incredible chipsets, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, while some will get Samsung's in-house Exynos 2200 chipset. Anyway, so far Samsung has not confirmed any details or the launch date of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, but as per some speculations, we may see it officially at the Unpacked event of Samsung's next generation foldable phones. So what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition's first look? Most likely we will hear more soon in the future and maybe some spy shots of the handset before the launch date. Of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.